Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So sorry it's been so long since my last post. We were on fall break, so we're just coming back today, kind of getting back into the groove of things. Wanted to pop on really quick and just talk to you guys about um, writing for our students. So I currently teach eighth grade ELA reading and writing. And one thing that I've always tried to be really passionate about is making sure that our students are doing writing something that they can be proud of. Oftentimes, we give them prompts that are out of the standard textbooks or something that maybe we've even been using for years. And we just kind of pull it out. It's easy for us. We can say, hey, here's our topic, do your writing, and be done with it, but that's not really helping our students grow. So one thing that I have really tried over the last few years, and this year even more so, is finding topics that our students are really engaged in. And that will change year to year based on what our student population looks like, based on where we're at in school, our different student growth levels. So for instance, our first write this year is a narrative write, their first formal write. And so we are challenging our students to learn about what it takes to write a horror story or a scary story, especially since we're in October. It's perfect timing. So we've been doing a lot of research on what are the different, type of descriptor words that we would use, and how does a horror story written? How many characters? How do you make sure that you have that suspense for your audience? And while doing so, they're learning about all of that. And then now they're having to write their own scary story. So they can come up and they can dig from all these different sources of things that they've watched or things that they've read. It can be suspenseful, it can be horror, it can be scary, any of those things. But we're teaching them about those attributes, and then we're having them write about it. The kids are so excited to produce something that's scary and gory and nasty. And we're reading lots of examples in our textbooks, and we found some that are online. And so just keep it real with the students. And especially when you get into writing, oftentimes the older grades kind of get tired of what they've been doing for years on end. So as long as they're getting that narrative right in, it doesn't matter what the topic is. So try and really get to know who your students are and what they're engaged in, and ultimately, their final work that they produce to you is going to be above and beyond what you probably could ever imagine. So good luck, guys. Have fun with it.